the Atlantic 10. The team earned top 25 national rankings in both major polls by virtue of victories over Mississippi State, Florida, Missouri, Temple, and Dayton. After advancing to the championship game of the A-10 tournament, the Spiders received an at-large bid into the NCAA tournament and finished the year ranked number 24 in the Associated Press poll.